guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erin and welcome to my channel. Y'all don't even understand how excited I was when I got the vision in my head to do this tutorial. I was in Michael's because I live at Michael's pretty much. And then I just got the vision. I think I saw one of the geodes and I'm just like, you know what? Let me put that on my face because why not? I mean, why not? Try it out. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you did, comment, like the video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, watch my other videos. Damn, I'm so demanding, but just do it. Come on, just do it. Because why not? Just do it. Okay. Anyways, I need to stop talking. Let's get into this video. So I am going to be priming my face with the Pores No More. This little primer. This is from the Touch and Soul. It's pretty good. Just put that all over my face. I know this primer was super hyped up back in the day, because it wasn't that long ago, but it was pretty long ago. But I barely started getting into it because I saw it at Ulta and I'm just like, and it actually does work really good. I actually enjoy it. I actually really like it. Actually. And where is my lip thing? My full size little Laneige lip thing has disappeared, so I'm using this little free one that I got from Sephora because I have to moisturize my lips, and I use this every time I'm doing my makeup because it's bomb. I'm gonna be mixing two of my favorite foundations, Wet n Wild and Infallible. The Wet n Wild is in Golden Beige and the Infallible is in the color 105. Color 105, number 105. So I'm just going to put that onto the back of my hand. And then put them both on the back of my hand. Damn, I look all green on that. And then just put that on with a booty blender. Well, it's not really a booty blender, it's from Real Techniques. Man, I am breaking out so much. I've never broken out this much before, but it's ridiculous. God's trying to tell me something. I have no idea what. I wish he can tell me in a different way, because this way, this ain't it. I just forgot that this side I'm going to be covering it, so I don't even need makeup. Okay, and I am going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural, because this is the best concealer that I've ever used in my entire life. And I've gone through a lot, and this covers up so much. And it's $4. You can't go wrong. So like I said, I'm only doing half of my face since the other side is going to be covered up with the good stuff. And to set that, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star setting powder in the color Translucent. Man, I need to get right with God, because this foundation is just not even covering my imperfections. It's just kind of really bringing them out. Not happy with that. Not a good look. Let's move on. Alright, I'm going to do my brows off camera because I don't want to bore you with that. Gotta get into the good stuff. Okay, so I'll be right back. Alright, brows did. eyebrows primed. I use the Anastasia eye primer. Focus. Focus. Yep, there she is. I have no idea what I will be doing on my eyes, so we're just gonna wing it. Alright, but I got some palettes because I know the colors that I want to do, just not what I'm gonna do. Anyways, so I'm gonna be going in with my Blue Blood palette. I'm going in the color Flourishing with the Morphe brush 139. I'm putting this in my crease, I guess. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do like a little halo action. Haven't done that in a while. I wing out all of my like eyeshadow looks, but like I'm not trying to do that this time because I do it with all my eyeshadow looks. And like I said, I'm not trying to do that right now. I'm gonna try to change it up. Let's see if I follow through with that. With the Morphe 514, I am going into the color Blue Blood, and I'm going to be blending out this blue. And I'm gonna try to keep it rounded at the tail, and then just continue blending. Alright, now I'm going to take that same color Flourishing, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm going in with my Louise base in Rumor 5 and this little brush. I'm going to put some right here on the bottom, look up, and there we go. That's where I'm going to cut my crease right there. We got it. She's there. Okay, she's cut. I'm going in with my Violet Voss Rainbow palette, and I'm using, oh my god, and I'm using the color Violet on a moist, has to be moist, M210 Morphe brush. Gotta like scrape it. And then I'm just putting that onto the crease. Onto the crease. I'm putting it on the lid where I just cut it out. Alright, it doesn't look good right now. It doesn't look good right now. With the color Undertaker and a Morphe M322 brush, I'm going to be darkening the outer parts, the outer corners. So I'm just laying it down with this brush. Alright guys, so my cameras, the SD card on my camera is like giving me issues. It's saying it's full and there's like nothing on there, so I'm very confused right now. Hopefully this content, like the quality is good. I'm filming off my iPhone, so let's hope it works out because I'm not about to waste this. What's going on here? And then I'm gonna blend it out with the Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. And this is a 6 Plus Crease E43 brush. And I'm just gonna blend that out even more. Okay, so that looks pretty blended. What do I look? Well, the dope thing about having a lazy eye is I can look here and here at the same time. Alright guys, now it's time for the fun part, which is doing the actual geode on my face, but it is going to be a voiceover because I can't talk and do this at the same time. I need to really concentrate and get in there. Alright, I'm going in with some makeup remover to clean my cheek off because we want a nice and clean surface. And I'm getting my latex and tissue paper, and yes, this latex smells like ass. I just don't know why this one smells worse than any latex I've ever used. I got this at the Spirit Halloween store, and this is the theatrical latex. I'm guessing it's better than regular latex, but we'll see. So I am just laying down just one layer in the shape that I want it, my little geode, to be. Then I'm getting some strips of Kleenex and putting them right on top of the latex that I just laid down. And once I have that tissue paper laid down, I am going in with another layer of latex right on top and make sure we dry that off. And I'm going with my little spatula and taking off some of the latex that I have inside so we can make it look more open. And with my blood sugar palette and cherry soda, I am going to make the outside look a little bit more irritated and kind of bloody and cute. And now to darken up the cut, I'm going in with the color Fresh Meat from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette and, you know, darkening it up. This is the Recollections Glass Glitter. I got it from Michael's, of course, and I'm going to be, well, cleaning it first because, you know, we want it to make sure that it's nice and clean so the spirit gum can stick down. So I am putting on the spirit gum and then tapping it, because if you don't tap it, it's not going to get tacky. And then I am just putting on that glitter right on top. And I'm going to just be following the same steps for the whole inside of the wound. There she is, nice and done. Cute, cute. These little bead gallery luster nugget crystals are of course from Michael's. I will have the link down below. So the same thing here, I am going to put the spirit gum and tap it out so it can get nice and tacky. And then I'm going to press that stone onto my skin so it can stick. And I'm just doing the same thing for the rest of the stones. And make sure you hold them down for a cool minute, otherwise they won't stick, and we don't want that, right? I am mixing 3 colors. I will have the links down below because I don't know them off the top of my head. But it is a dark blue, a nice light turquoise right here, and an iridescent light purple. And I'm going to be mixing that all 3 of those together, and then laying down some lash glue from Duo. This is in the color clear. It's the brush on adhesive. And then I'm just going to be putting the glitter on top. As you can see, I'm putting it on with my finger, but that wasn't really working out, so I got this little spatula thing and I put some on top, and then I just spread it out, and that worked pretty good for me. I just spread it out, keep spreading, and there we go. Put some more glue, spread some more glitter because we want like tons of glitter, like tons. This is why I hate glitter. but I love it at the same time. And there it is, nice and done. For lashes, I am using the Infinite Glow lashes in the style Boujee Doll. These are little gold flakes that I use for my nails, but I'm going to be putting it on my face with some of that duo lash glue. I don't remember where I got it. I mean, I think it was on Amazon, but this was like years ago. But you can get it off of Amazon. Just search up gold flakes. They even have it at Michael's. I've seen it there for like 10 bucks though. Ooh, she's nasty. Now contouring my face with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and then highlighting with the Jeffree Star Wet Dreams, I believe. Super bomb. I'm lining my lips with the Sweet Tea liner from Morphe, and then going in with a Dose of Colors gloss in Goalz. Now using my CC Beauty palette, affiliate link down below, I am making it look bloody before I put the actual blood. Now I'm putting on some of my homemade coagulated blood. Watch my Pennywise video if you want to know how I made it. Then going in with some of my edible blood because it's more liquidy and it gives that little drip look that I want. I'm also putting some of that coagulated blood right there by the crystals because they're coming out of my face. And it looks a little bit more realistic, I think. Yeah, it does. It looks good, right? Ooh, I'm feeling myself. There we go, pose. Alright guys, I got my weave in. I got this wig from one of my beauty supply stores in my hood. I don't recall the name. Sorry about that. But this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I did. I mean, I enjoy all my videos. I think they're fun to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, bye. And this is gonna be fun taking off.
Why? No, yeah. Who do you want to
Oh, I have peach fuzz.